Today our topic for study will be over integers and graphing. Again, integers are whole numbers and their opposite. The U.S. Navy has a fleet of nuclear submarines based in San Diego. In order to be a navigator or admiral, you must know your integers, whole numbers, and their opposites. If a submarine has a water depth of 400 feet below sea level, how will the admiral report it to the how will the navigator report it to the admiral, written as an integer? They want you to write that as an integer. So we'll read the second part in a few seconds. So you have, here's the sea level. You have the submarine right here. So sea level is 0. It is below it. So I think it's going to be below negative. So it's negative 400. Negative 400. I'm going to count this by below sea level. However, if the submarine then rises 250 feet, what is its present water depth? So it rises 250 feet. So it rises 100, rise another 100, which is 200, then it rises 50 right here. What integer is between negative 100 and negative 200? Negative 150 feet below sea level. So that is its present water depth. So, again, integers are whole numbers and they're opposite. So you have negative 4, positive 4. Its opposite is negative 4. You have positive 1. Its opposite is negative 1. How can you tell? Again, in number line, all positive numbers, which include integers, are located to the right of 0, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. All negative numbers are located to the left of 0, which include negative integers. Negative numbers can always be written with, they need to be written with a little negative sign in front of it. However, positive integers can be written with or without a positive or plus sign. It's your option. But most people do not write a plus sign in front of it. So, how do you know? Find the opposite again. For example, positive 7 is 7 units from 0. On the opposite side of the number line, which integer is 7 units from 0? Negative 7. When do you ever see integers? Why do we need to study integers? Well, games. When you go golfing, par, when you do golf, sometimes you have a positive or negative. Your goal is try to get negative. It means you are shooting below par, doing much better than the average person. Elevation, when you go hiking into a mountain or going into a cavern, underground cavern. Temperature in Houston, it keeps rising and rising and rising. While other places in like Alaska, Antarctica, you might have negative. And of course you have finance. Sometimes you go to a bank, she's depositing money, that's positive. Sometimes she might be withdrawing money, which is negative. So which of these are not integers? Well, let's see. I know integers are whole numbers, whole number, whole number, whole number, and its opposite, opposite. So that leaves the rest. These are fractions. This is a whole number, and it's opposite, so that's an integer. So, and these are decimals, so these will go into the trash can. All these will go into the trash can, fractions and decimals. Again, integers, whole numbers, and their opposite. Can you locate these integers on this number line? Well, I know positive numbers always goes to the right. Well, this is 1 unit away, so positive 1. 2 units away. 3 units away? None. Oh, 4 units away? Nope, 5 units away. Right here. Opposite. These are where the left side of the number line are the negative numbers. This is -1, 1 unit away. -2, 2 units away. -3, 3 units away. -4, 4 units away. -5, 5 units away. So find its opposite. On a number line, if you're 34 units away from 0, the opposite side will be 34 units away, so it'll be -34. If you're -12, so that's 12 units from 0, on the opposite, it'll be +12. So which of these words or real life situation are negative or positive? When you go to a bank and you withdraw and take money away, it's negative. A loss, football loss, loss of point, negative. Something goes higher, positive. Deposit, a good thing, that you can put in more money into your checking or saving account. A fall, stock market falls, negative. Decrease means down, so it's negative. So how would you write these real life situations as an integer? 7 degrees below 0, -7. You owe $50. That's not a good thing. -50. You move back 4 spaces. -4. Are there any positive integers here? Oh, 150 meters above sea level. You go up 4 floors. +4. Remember, you can put a plus sign or you can leave it without a plus sign. And that is our study of integers and graphing.